Welcome back to Bloodline Bikers, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to use the Chigee AI05 on your BMW. Now, many people fit this to their BMW GS's, GS1250s, GS1300s, S1000XRs. It's a very good replacement for obviously the BMW Motorrad because of all the features it has, and I'm going to be showing you how to use all that today on my GS1200. Right guys, as you can see here, this is my BMW GS 1200, and what I'm going to go ahead and do is just turn this bike on because the key's with me, and you'll see up here, this is our Chigee. You can probably see it right there. It's powering on. Now you can probably see that as soon as it powers on, we've got all these settings. So we've got our drive status, how many miles we've done, our trip meter, how long we've been driving for, compass, and we've got the tyre pressure there as well. But if we go into, for instance, this, you've also got a rev meter there with our range, our engine temp, lean angle, ambient temp, battery voltage, and our gear selector, and all our pressure there, tyre pressure as well. So it gives a lot of information on this screen. On the Chigee, it's very good, this system. We've also got our settings, which again we can customize if we really wanted to. We can easily customize our settings, very easy. We can update it. Got display and volume, storage, features, language, time, about. And this one is to connect obviously to your Apple CarPlay. You can see there, you'll connect it and then you'll just click your settings, and you can do auto connection, high frame rate, pairing records, this, that, the other. And you can switch over to Android Auto as well, just like that if you really wanted to. It depends on what you're going to be using. So it supports Android Auto and CarPlay, so bear that in mind. And it works in full sync with your system here on the TFT screen on your BMW, so you never have to worry. They work in sync with each other. You can also use the scroll wheel for this as well to operate the Chigee, just to let you guys know. So if we click back and we just hold our menu button up, so it goes on to nav, and you can see up there as well, it shows you at the top whether it's on BMW or nav, and you can see it's connected to the nav and not to the BMW screen, so it tells you up there as well. So you should see in a minute that my phone will connect up to it. I'm just connected all my phone to it now, to the actual CarPlay unit itself. So yes, you can see right there, my phone just got connected. So now if we use the scroll wheel, which I'm going to use, we can go along just like this. You can go to everything you want to select. We can swipe as well using our hands. If we really wanted to, you can use your hands to control the CarPlay. You don't have to use the scroll wheel. If it's quicker to use your fingers, you can use your fingers. It's whatever you want to do. But I think this is a really good device to have, especially because everyone these days wants Apple CarPlay. It's very useful. Keep your phone on charge and just use the Apple CarPlay up here, so you can use all the maps, because obviously you can use the My Connected Drive app on your BMW GS, but realistically, why would you? I know some people have the BMW Motorrad up here, but again, that's surplus to requirements now, because when you've got the Chigee, you can use all the maps on your phone, and so on, or you can even link it to your TFT screen on the My Connected Drive and send locations over to here and whatnot. So you got the best of both worlds with this, where on the Motorrad one, you've got to keep it up to date, everything up to date all the time. It doesn't make sense to keep doing that. You just buy this one system and you've got everything on it, whatever you want, your whole phone. You can see messages on there, everything come through, without the need of having to even look at your phone, really. Keep your phone in your pocket. And everything will come up on this Chigee. So I think it's well worth the money and well worth the investment, especially if you own a BMW, to have one of these. And you can easily go and buy them. They're readily available online, and it's the best upgrade you can do for your BMW. So there you have it guys, there isn't really much to show you on how to use the Chigee AI05. It's very straightforward. You guys probably know already how to take out your BMW Motorrad screen, dock it in the system, and then just connect it to your phone. It really isn't that hard. It's such a great system to have. I think many of you guys already know, if you're watching this video, Chigee is the best one you can buy for the BMW. It's the most reliable and it's the best one. It beats Carpool Ride hands down. I know Carpool Ride makes them on my other channel. They send them to me all the time. I have many Carpool Ride Apple CarPlays with all the boxes sitting down there from all the ones they sent me. They tried to send me one for the GS and I refused because I don't need it, because I've got the Chigee on it. And the Chigee is the best one. It's the most expensive one. Don't buy anything else, because everything else will fail, run slow, this, that, the other. Chigee is the best CarPlay system you can get for your BMW GS. So thank you very much for watching guys. Hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you haven't subscribed already, please go ahead and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much, and goodbye.